Here's my bike track. I got shadow bars, 9 high by 31 wide. I got this nice brand new Primo stem right here, all hollowed out and everything. Then I got these Fit Shiv forks. And then I got a fly pink rim laced with blue spokes and an Odyssey, red Odyssey hub. I got a kink barrier. My top bracket is a kink top bracket. Got shadow bottom bracket. I got an animal seat. Got a fit seat post. Got just a normal kink sprocket. And then I got a black sheep back rim, Black Ops hub. Oh, that's pretty nice, I guess. And that's my bike track.